In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Davinci Resolve lag and get smooth video playback while editing. So the first thing you want to do is select Playback in the top left corner. Then we're going to turn on Use Optimized Media if available. Now you want to go back to Playback and under Proxy Handling, turn on Prefer Proxies. Then you want to go to Playback again, and we're going to go to Timeline Playback Resolution. By default, it will be on full, so I recommend you change it to half or quarter. I'm going to change it to quarter. Then go back to Playback one last time, and under Render Cache, we're going to change it to Smart. Now what you want to do is find your media file here that you're currently editing, and you want to right-click on the file, and you want to scroll down and select Generate Proxy Media. Now you should already see a huge improvement in smooth video playback, and the last thing I recommend you try if you're still having issues is select File in the top left corner, and we're going to go to Project Settings. From here, under Timeline Resolution, try decreasing this value and save these settings, and once you're finished editing, simply go back and revert it to what it was before. Just do bear in mind this can have an effect with text in your video. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.